Hey everyone, today, let's dive into how you can check if you're pre-approved for a Chase credit card. Stick around till the end to grasp all the details. Firstly, keep an eye on your email. Chase might send you a pre-approval offer via email or mail. Remember, receiving this offer doesn't guarantee approval, but it does indicate a chance for approval. If you receive such an offer, you can go ahead and apply for the card. Alternatively, you can check online. Visit the Chase Bank website at creditcards.com, link in the description, where you'll find a form to input your details. Verify the information, submit it, and if you're pre-approved, you'll be presented with Chase's available credit card offers. Lastly, you can visit a Chase Bank branch near you, inquire about your pre-qualification status, and they'll assess your creditworthiness and eligibility for the Chase credit card. You'll receive your verdict after a thorough evaluation. And that's it. Checking your Chase credit card pre-approval is that simple. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.